Located on the northwestern tip of the state, Cloudland Canyon is one of the most beautiful places to hike in Georgia. It provides 3 notable trails, all unique in their own way. And having hiked each one, I'm going to briefly explain each one along with other neat facts about this epic canyon. Starting with the most popular and quickest hike, the Waterfalls Trail. The roughly 1-mile trek begins from the breathtaking overlook view atop the canyon walls. The Waterfalls Trail is a downward trek within the canyon floor, and there you'll find 2 cool waterfalls. Along the way are many cool landmarks and many stairs downward into the floor where you'll come to a split off. On the left, you'll find the fabled 60-foot Cherokee Falls, which plunges into a floor gorge pool. After that, when you head back to the right of the split off, you'll later encounter Hemlock Falls. This waterfall is also surrounded by a gorge wall, and it plunges into a pool. And it also has a notable smooth boulder right in front of it. Overall, this hike provides a lot of neat scenery in a short stretch, but it's a little bit difficult coming back up. So before moving on to the next hike, here's some context. One of the things that make Cloudland Canyon so epic is the distinguished center rock face. This rock face occurred after millions of years of water erosion by both Bear Creek and Daniels Creek, cutting gorges on either side of the main rock face to converge at Sittons Gulch Creek. Along this creek is another amazing hiking trail at the state park called Sittons Gulch Trail. You can get to Sittons Gulch Trail from either the Waterfalls Trail before Hemlock Falls or a separate trailhead at 741 Canyon Park Drive, which you can find on Google. But this 4.8-mile hike is smack dab in the middle of the canyon floor. And what I love most about it is along the way are so many scattered sandstone and shale boulders near the creek from the canyon. Well, while filming this episode, my buddy Mason actually put it best.
Really unique about this trail that we've been on, the vast size of the boulders and rocks that we get to see. They seem to have all just fallen right down in the middle of the canyon. So when you're right by the creek, you get to see how kind of nature destroyed a mountain, and it looks amazing.
Overall, it's an awesome trek with many cool landmarks, and in case you want to see the full video of any of these trails, I put them in the description below. Now, both hikes we covered are within the canyon. But what if you want to hike on the canyon rim to get multiple views from the top? And not only that, you want to see the famed rock face in person. That's where the 4.8-mile West Rim Loop Trail comes in. This hike is incredibly scenic with many canyon overlooks and one of the best views in Georgia, looking over the Cloudland Canyon rock face. If multiple canyon views is what you're after, this is the trail for you. All 3 of these trails are amazing and some of the best in the Southeast. But better yet, between the waterfalls, epic canyon walls, and overlooks, this state park is actually not as well known as it should be. So get here before it gets too crowded. And if it's camping that you're interested in, you can also camp at the state park. There's 10 yurts, 16 cabins, 13 backcountry campsites, and many trailer, RV, or tent campsites at the West Rim Campground. But when it's all said and done, I highly recommend a day hike or camping trip here at Cloudland Canyon. And as I always say, hiking is mostly free, so why not? Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.